Hi there everyone, just want to share with you a couple days ago I went into Rejuv Ave Skin Spa in Fenton, Michigan, and I had Voluma XC injected into my cheeks. Voluma XC is a non-invasive treatment. It is a filler. Its purpose is to restore the volume that we lose over time. It also works in a way that kind of creates a nice shape to your cheek. It just plumps up those apples. I love it. I've had it done before. What I have recognized about myself is Voluma XC lasts about 1.5 years on me. It can last for up to 2 years, but it is going to depend on you individually. We all break down our fillers in a different duration of time. So about 1.5 years lasts for me. Most people only require 2 syringes of Voluma XC. I prefer to do 3 because I really like that little bit of elevation, a little bit more volume. There's no downtime. There's no marks really on your face. You don't leave looking all beat up at all. You could apply some makeup and go about your day as usual. Also, no bruising. I absolutely love it. I encourage you, if this sounds like something that would interest you, you do a little research, you check your area. If you're local, you know where to go, out to Fenton, see the girls there at Rejuv Ave Skin Spa. I will have the demonstration of me having this performed a couple days ago in the drop-down box below as well as on the blog post. You will want to watch that procedure being performed because I think if you have any hesitation, it's going to be eliminated after you watch the video. So take a peek at that. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for listening and check out Voluma XC. I think you'll love it. All right, take care.